God there is unlimited blessings. In God there is unlimited blessings. Remember when you read the second King 4, verse 1, I think if I'm right, to 7, where a woman went to Prophet Elisha to go and cry that my husband is dead. My husband is dead. I'm aware of debts that we're owing. People come to looking to asking for their debts, and you have nothing to repay them. And Prophet Elijah asked them, "What do you ask her? What do you have?" So they only have a jar of oil. And he said to her, "Go and ask your neighbors." Go and ask for neighbors for things and everything that they have, and come and fill those things with oil. And she did, and she kept on filling those things with oil. The oil kept on running non-stop while from a jar. She filled up things as many as possible, and until she ran out with things to fill up the oil. The oil kept on flowing. Those are the blessings of God. The blessings of God never stop. The blessings of God never run dry. The hands of God never run dry. It's us who are blocking the hands of God, who are making the tap of blessings from God to run dry because of us living unrighteously, us living life of not being faithful to God, of not having faith in God. That woman, she kept on receiving all that never ran dry, until she had no place to put the oil. The same thing, the God of yesterday is still the same. The God has never changed. Just you have to increase your faith. You have to increase your faith. You have faith that is no doubt, and you shall experience the power of God, just like the widow, the woman from on the book of Kings, 2 King 4, in the mighty name of Jesus.